Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Canva for 2025. For that, first of all, simply come here on canva.com, or you can also come here in your Canva application. Then you can either select any custom design, or you can also use the search bar in order to search for Instagram, and you can search for Instagram post. So by default, it is going to show you create a blank Instagram post. So you can click on it, and it is going to redirect you here on the canvas of your Canva project. Now here you can either add multiple pages in Canva. Each one will be separate carousel slide. For a seamless effect, you can make sure that all the pages line up as if they are one long design. So here you can simply select the canvas. After that, if you click on this color palette, you can select the color of your design. So here go to the elements section, and you can search for any shape. So let's say if you search for this shape, and you have added this shape over here just like so. So instead of putting it full, you can select it something like this. After that, you can control plus C and then paste it on the next page, and you can make it something like this. Similarly, you can add the text on your carousel. So click on the option of text, then click on the option of add a text box. Over here, simply add the text that you want. So let's say I want to type this. After that, you can place it over here. Now, if you have any text here in the shape, you need to make sure that it aligns with the second one so that it could look like a carousel. So once you are done editing, simply click on the option of share in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can download the PNG format of your posts, and now your carousels will be ready. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.